It's 2025. This is still America, and subjective suspicious recording in public is still not a felony or a misdemeanor.
Okay. Full suspicious with you here and a camera and
yeah, I'm just
video of everything. Right now, you're a suspicious subject. You're a suspicious subject because they called you in.
So I'm suspicious because I'm recording?
Yeah, because you're recording windows.
Officer Lawson, I'm asking you again. Why did he detain me? You gonna correct your officer there? Oh, let's go check out these. Whoa, whoa!
You're gonna stop.
Are you serious, dude?
This is the Jerseyville, Illinois Police Department interacting with Central Tyrant Investigations. Let's take a look.
How you doing?
Why are you taking pictures of my car?
Oh, this is your car right here?
It doesn't matter which one's mine. Why are you taking pictures of it?
Yeah, I'm just looking at it. It's a nice car. I can't hear you.
You don't need to be taking pictures of our stuff.
I can't really hear you, sorry.
That's okay. You can talk to the cops that are pulling up to talk to you right now.
What'd you say?
You can talk to the cops right there.
About what? What happened?
You don't need to be around here taking pictures.
Yeah, I'm just documenting, just exercising my rights today. No?
You can talk to the officer.
Why don't you come out and talk to me?
Hey, sir. Officer Lawson, Police Department.
How you doing? Yeah.
Talk to you a minute.
Yeah, sure. How you doing, sir?
Obviously, you know what we got a call for here.
No, for what?
What's that?
What happened?
I mean, apparently they're making contact with you, correct?
Yeah, I was hoping she would come out and talk to me.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Just to a bank member.
Oh,
Looks
okay.
a little suspicious with you here and a camera and
Yeah, I'm just-
video of everything.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get some
You guys can go in.
information.
I'll talk to him.
You're just taking pictures of the outside of our building.
Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
if you would like to come,
I'll be in to talk to
can you come over here, please, ma'am? I would love to talk to you.
I'll talk to you
Okay,
first, and I'll
okay.
talk to them, okay?
Well, you can't ask my questions.
What's that?
I said you can't ask them my questions.
Probably not.
Yeah,
No,
I
not
know,
banking, not as far as banking questions.
Oh, okay, okay.
Do you have an ID on you, bud?
Huh?
Do you have an ID on you?
What's that?
Your identification, your name, and everything else?
Oh, I don't carry around my name or anything.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'm
no,
just
no.
taking down. All right.
Yeah.
So what's your name, sir?
My name?
Yes, sir.
Oh man, I go by many a names. Which, like my hood name, my street name?
No, sir. No,
Which one?
your actual given name.
Now, have you noticed it yet? Have you noticed what this cop's doing? There may be a psychological and body language factor going on here that's probably worth discussing. Now, I'm going to play this. I actually took a lot of clips and compiled these shoulder fidgets, or whatever you want to call it. Maybe we should label it something because it's specific to police officers, and not just one or two, not just 10 or 20. It seems like every time we see these videos, we see these shoulder twitches and these fidgets. And I did a little research on this. Shoulder shrugs are common, and they're a common nonverbal cue, and it often signals uncertainty, indifference, sometimes an attempt to de-escalate, and a lot of times an attempt to escalate. It can be thought of, and if you look this up, as kind of a low-key power move. They're saying without saying it, without using words, that they are in control, without using fists, without using a loud voice. But you'll notice it's not just this cop right here. It's his sergeant on the scene, and even the female officer who arrives on the scene. I want you to be looking for this because these are cues. Basically, from the body language perspective, shrugging can unconsciously mimic a defensive posture, almost like tensing up for action while still attempting to appear relaxed. So as we work our way through this video, just kind of look at the cues, look at the body language, look at the shoulder shrugs. We see this a lot. We see the holding on to the vest and just this overall discomfort when they're interacting with the public that they're supposed to be protecting and serving, almost like they're not truly relaxed and they've got something to hide. Let's just be on the lookout for this.
Name.
My given name?
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm actually adopted, so my real name is Dwayne.
Okay, Dwayne.
Yeah.
All right.
But that's not my name now, so that was just my adopted
I'll
name.
tell you what,
Yeah.
I'll take down every name.
Oh, okay.
That'll just make it easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Dwayne, what's your last name?
Oh, I don't have that. I don't know.
don't have a last
I don't know
name?
my birth parents. So.
You don't know your birth parents?
Yeah,
Okay,
correct.
what name do you go by now?
Well, my street name is Big Boy.
Okay.
Yeah,
okay,
I go
big
by
boy.
Big Boy.
Gotcha. All right. Well,
Yeah.
let's go on something besides a street name.
Like,
How about a real name?
would you like my suburb name?
No, sir.
What they call me like when I was in school and stuff?
No, sir. I'd like something that has your
They called me
birthday.
Chocolate Thunder back in the day.
Yeah, no, I'd like something that has your birth date and everything.
My birth date?
Yeah,
Why would
name
you
and a
know that?
birthday.
Why would you need that?
Well, because right now you're
Yeah.
a suspicious subject. So,
Suspicious?
so without that, I have to detain you until I find out who you are.
Detain me?
Yes, sir.
For what?
Because you're a suspicious subject because they've called you in.
Because I'm documenting?
City 208.
You guys hear this? This is hilarious.
Yeah, because you're documenting, yes.
Oh, so
Yeah,
I'm
because-
suspicious because I'm recording?
Yeah.
You're suspicious because you're recording is what he's saying. Because you're documenting, I feel you're suspicious. What does that even mean?
Yeah, because you're recording windows, and I've been told that you asked them what the robbery procedures are.
Robbery procedures? I never
suspicious.
asked them. I asked them if they got robbed before because I'm trying to do
Sure,
my
sure.
investigation.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So I don't know who you are. They don't
Oh,
know who you
okay,
are.
yeah.
We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
So the more you cooperate with me.
No, I don't like to cooperate
Oh,
usually.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
I like to do my own thing on the public sidewalk. So.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. 197 from 28. If you want to
This
25 with
guy.
me.
He can 10-8.
What's that?
He can 10-8.
No, that's my sergeant.
Yeah, he can 10.
This guy looks so much like Kenneth Copeland. Remember that guy? I don't want to get on a tube with a bunch of demons.
Do you really believe that human beings are demons?
No, I do not. And don't you ever say I did.
Now, Oral used to fly airlines,
Right.
but even back there then, man, it got to the place where it was agitating his spirit,
Sure.
people coming up to him. He had become famous, and they wanting him to pray for him and all that. You can't manage that today.
Right.
This dope-filled world,
Right.
and get in a long tube with a bunch of demons.
Right.
Do you really believe that human beings are demons?
No, I do not. And don't you ever say I did.
I mean, imagine my surprise when I realized that some of these Bible preachers lie just as much as cops.
10-8.
No. He'll be fine coming here.
You can 10-8.
No.
Oh,
we're
okay,
good.
okay, okay.
We're good. Yep. Not
Just
until
tell
I
him
figure
code
out-
4. Code 4. You
Yep,
know.
not until I figure out a name. So.
Ma'am, do you work in there? Oh, okay. You love working there?
Okay. So what do you?
Awesome, awesome. That's good. Huh?
What are you documenting?
Whatever I can see out here, man.
Whatever you can see out
yeah.
here,
I'm not going to tell you what's going on here. I can't get into that. but
Okay,
yeah.
gotcha.
Yeah,
All right.
I'm enjoying this beautiful day, man.
Sure.
Are you
sure.
doing that?
Absolutely.
Nice, nice. What's your name again?
Yep. Officer Travis Lyles.
Travis Lyles.
Yes,
nice
sir.
to meet you. That's a cool
Yep,
name.
Yep.
All right.
Say, Jay, copy at 28. You can just stay right here.
Huh?
We're going to talk to him real quick.
I don't want to. I'm just.
Okay, well, we're going to, so.
But I don't want to.
Well, until you give me a name, we're going to keep you here and detain you, as I said.
You know Mike?
What's that?
They call me Mike.
Okay.
Mike Hawk.
Okay, is that your real name?
I can't really get into that info.
City 208.
Oh, let's go check out these.
Hey.
Whoa, whoa!
You're going to stop
Are
right
you
here?
are you
You're
fucking
detained.
serious,
Yeah,
dude?
you're detained.
How you doing, Sergeant?
Imagine what would happen if the roles were reversed and a cop was trying to make his way down the sidewalk and you put your hands on him. What do you think would happen to you?
Could I have your name, please?
John Lawson.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Did you see him just put his hands on me?
Well, but you kind of walked up on him a little bit.
I kind of was walking that way and he stepped in front of me.
Okay.
You saw that. Come on.
Are you-
Be truthful.
Of course, this guy's going to back the blue. Again, this is the Jerseyville, Illinois Police Department.
I was right over here. I didn't.
Oh, yeah, you did. Yeah, you
It's
did.
on our body
It's on my
cam. We're
cam. That's on your
recording as well.
Okay.
so.
Yeah.
I can't get a name out of it. He will not give him his name.
Yeah, I go by a whole bunch of different names.
Subject to this time, will not give a name.
Shut up. Shut up.
What? I mean, just videotaping stuff.
I'm just documenting, man. Yeah. He said I was detained. You guys just detain everybody around here, or?
Well, let me talk for a second, all right? You just kind of videotaping people coming and going, or what are you?
Whatever I can see, man. It's a beautiful day out here today.
As long as you're not on their property.
Well, why would I do that? And
Okay.
I mean, I could be on their property. They never told me to get off or
Well,
anything. So,
I'm going to ask you not to be on their property, but
But you don't work
you're
here,
on the
though.
Sidewalk now, though.
but I could be on their property though.
They don't want you on.
They didn't tell you that.
They told me this.
No, they didn't. I was never. I just walked up, man.
How do you think that we got it?
How do you?
Dispatch.
No.
Look, here's the deal.
No, that's
if
bullshit.
If you want to videotape stuff and you
Here's the deal. If I'm going to give you a directive, I'm going to tell you how free I think you should be. And here's what I think you should be doing. Going to hand out these directives like candy at Halloween.
stay on the sidewalk.
Sir, I don't need directives,
You're
man.
good.
I know what I can do.
And
I don't need
I know what
directives.
you can do too, but I'm just saying, as long as you stay on the sidewalk and you're not harassing.
So why did he detain me then?
I'm telling you, if you want to videotape people, as long
He was staying on the sidewalk and he wasn't harassing people. The harassment came when the men with uniforms and guns arrived on the scene.
Officer Lawson, why did he detain me then?
As long as you're not harassing.
Officer Lawson, I'm asking you again, why did he detain me?
Well, I'm telling you, as long as you.
You gonna correct your officer there or no?
I'm just telling you, you're okay.
I know what I can do, officer. I'm not 2 years old. I know what I can do, man.
But if you want me to finish,
You should talk to him and ask him why he detained
We'll take
me.
care of that in just a second.
I want to hear it now.
Okay.
It's all about transparency. Do it now.
I'm just telling you.
I'm demanding you to correct his actions right now.
You're talking to me right now, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I want
And
you
as
to
long as
direct
you
to him.
Don't interrupt me, then I can talk to you.
No, talk to him.
I'm talking to you.
But
Okay.
officer here detained me. Are you going to correct his actions or not?
I'm the one that's in charge right this second, and I'm telling you, as long as you're not harassing people.
Sure. I don't need your directives, man.
Can I finish?
No.
I would have loved to hear Central Tyrant Investigation say, no, I'm in charge, like James Freeman did to Detective Jardin.
Where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out and about a little bit?
What is this about? Who are you?
I'm asking the questions. Where have you been today?
No,
have you been here?
I'm asking the questions. You're on this property. You're on this property, so you need to answer my questions.
Are you drunk? Why are you slurring your words today? So have you been here all day, or have you been out? Have you been to the bar today at all?
Who are you?
Have you been to the bar today?
Who are you?
I'm an investigator.
Investigator for who?
Investigative journalist. I investigate corrupt officials. So I'm wondering, where have you been today? Have you been here all day, or have you been out at the bar at all?
Working on a fraud case. That's
Okay.
where I've been.
Okay. Have you been to the bar at all today?
No.
Okay. You got any drugs on you? Have you used any drugs today?
What a ridiculous question.
That's not a ridiculous question. Do you know where he's been today?
I don't. I don't keep tabs on him.
Okay.
Out and about.
Do you know what time his shift started?
Not off the top of my head.
Okay. Does he usually drink on the job, or no? Not that anybody knows of for sure. Have you guys ever breathalyzed him while he's been on the job? Would you submit to a breathalyzer for me right now?
You're ridiculous. You know that?
Name.
You've got about 5 minutes to get out of here right now.
Or what?
Or what? You're on
My
law
property.
enforcement. This isn't your
Yeah, it
property.
is. Shut the hell up. Get out of here now.
What'd you say?
I said shut up and get out
No,
of here.
you get out of here now.
Hey, you better get your boy. Get your butt back in your office and do
shut
your
up.
job.
You shut up and get
You
out of
get
here.
your butt back in your office and do your job.
No. No.
You quit drinking on the job. You understand me?
Whatever.
You punk ass.
Okay. Stay on the sidewalk.
Don't tell me what to do. I can come on their property if I
They
want.
do not want you.
They
on
never
the property.
said that.
They told us they don't want you on the property.
I'm going to get the police report, so.
That's fine. You
Okay,
can do whatever
okay.
you
Yeah.
want. I'm just
Yeah.
telling you.
I don't want to hear your directives,
As long
man.
as you stay on the sidewalk, you just videotape.
What's up? How you doing? What's your name?
All right, let's see if the female officer exhibits the same nonverbal shoulder shrug.
Officer Clump.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, there's one. The arm kind of lifts up a little bit.
Sage, copy 28.
Do you like my vehicle?
This one's yours?
Yeah.
That's fine. You don't have to.
Sam.
You don't have to use that.
Suspicious subjects.
You don't have to use that.
You like it?
Well, I'm not 100% sure it's yours yet, but they'll tell me in a second.
Well, if this is
Oh, well, she shrugged kind of appropriately.
my vehicle?
Oh, she just did it. She just did the neck thing.
Yeah. It is.
Okay.
Let's go back here.
Well, they'll tell me in
So
a
that's an appropriate shrug, and then she.
second.
Well, if this is my vehicle?
Oh, appropriate shrug, and then followed by just an out of the blue shrug for no reason.
Yours yet, but they'll tell me in a second.
Well, if this is my vehicle? Yeah. It is.
Okay.
All right. What you said? Big boy. That's your name?
Huh? Are you going to correct him?
I just did.
Okay, what'd you tell him?
Huh?
What'd you tell
I said
him?
as long as you stay on the sidewalk. and
So
you're
why
not
did he put his
harassing
hands on me then?
people. You kind of walked up on him. From
Officer, it's all on camera. I was walking this way and he
There's
cut in
another-
front of me and put his hands on me. You just said you didn't see it.
I was right here.
Guys.
Maybe the shoulder shrug on the part of these cops is this nervous energy they're trying to dissipate because they know they're in the wrong.
Look at this.
And that box was blocking my view. Okay.
Okay.
But he's got his body cam on, so whatever's on his body cam,
Oh, there she is,
All right?
guys. Yeah, there she is. Right
And
there.
all I'm saying is you want to stay on the sidewalk, you can videotape whatever you want.
I already knew that, though.
All right.
Yeah.
I want to step in and talk to them, Sarge.
Have a good day. He's gonna go in and check with them, but I'm quite certain they didn't want you on the property.
How do you know?
Because they told my dispatcher. That's
Oh, well, I'm going to walk this way, right through here.
This is an alley. You can walk in.
Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah.
I got no problem.
Thank you.
Perfect. Have a good one, man.
I just don't appreciate him putting his hands on me,
Well,
you know.
if you walked up on him, he's not going to want you
Well,
to
he walked up on me. I was just out here documenting, right?
Look, I'm just telling you, you got every right in the world to stay in here on public
I know. I
property
just don't
and
appreciate. I appreciate you coming up, but I just don't like the way he did it.
I got you.
Yeah.
All right?
Yep.
It's taken care of.
Awesome.
I'm telling you.
Appreciate
stay
you,
in
man.
here.
Yep.
Just don't be harassing people.
I mean, I'm
All
just talking to him. Thank you.
man.
Yep.
Stay warm.
Huh?
Can I help you?
I'm just looking, just documenting.
Okay, I would prefer not to be videotaped.
Well, I'm going to videotape you.
You cannot. If I tell you not to, you cannot.
Oh, let's see.
Look at all the surveillance equipment they have on the wall. All the cameras pointing in different angles, recording probably hundreds, maybe thousands of people per day, and yet they have a problem when you turn your cameras on them. When your camera goes on them, they have a problem. When all their hundreds of cameras are pointed in your direction, hey, we see no evil. We speak no evil. We hear no evil. Unbelievable. I'm glad CTI points this out too.
What's your name?
Huh? My name?
What's your name?
Mike?
What is your name?
Mike. Mike Hawk.
Sorry,
Oh.
can't hear you.
Oh, it's Mike?
Mike?
Mike Hawk?
Are you from here, around here?
I don't want to answer that.
I can hear you.
I don't want to answer that.
Okay. Well, I'm not comfortable with you videotaping me.
You're not comfortable?
No.
Okay. Well, you guys are videotaping us.
No.
Right here?
Excellent.
I don't want you videotaping me. I'm not comfortable.
And there's never a moment of just self-reflection and self-realization. Oh, that's right. We are recording him. So who am I to tell him not to record us? What's going on here?
That I just told you.
Well, you're in public, ma'am.
So are you, and I don't want you.
Therefore, I could record, right? Wow, guys. We weren't even going to record in here until I saw this sign here.
The thin blue line, flag of tyranny. Don't you just hate it? What does that represent? How many lives ruined? How much economic devastation? How many lives lost in the name of protecting and serving?
And yeah, they're starting to freak out inside of here. So, could I get a sunshine request, please? Support that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. At least not have it tore up if you're gonna already desecrate the flag. You know, that's even more disrespectful.
So again, this is Central Tyrant Investigations. He ends up getting a FOIA request for him, and I'm sure if he gets an update, he'll be sure to let us know. Subscribe to his channel. I will leave the link in the description for you. Until then, let me know what you think about this nervous cop twitch that they have with their shoulders. Have you ever witnessed this? Or is this just something that I'm geeking out about? Leave your thoughts about this for the world and the global thought police in the comments section below. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon, give it a thumbs up, share it with everybody you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my email list through my website, highimpactflix.com. If you want to support the channel further, grab a shirt, become a channel member, but more importantly, know what your rights are and stand against tyranny for your rights, because if you don't stand for your rights, you may one day find out you don't have any rights. I'll see you in the next video.